There's a good chance we're wasting. Oh, there's one right there. He was definitely chasing something. Keep casting in there. He's chasing some minnows. That was definitely a smallie. He may be small and not like our lures, but like you said, little ones will bite any kind of thing. There he is right there, just to the left of where I casted. Got him. Well, he's hungry. He may not be very big. He's tugging. He's definitely.
Not bad.
Nope. All right. First one in the buck.
Barely got him.
Barely got him. He's probably a 12-incher.
Adjust this thing. Alrighty. Let's get going, guys. Into the magic sea. Try to catch some chubs, guys. Or try to get some chubs for the catfish. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, it's a big one. That is a big one.
Chub? Smallmouth.
Alright, guys. Just caught a smallmouth. We're looking to go back in. Let's see if we can get one. We're looking for a chub.
Oh yeah, he's a fighter. Big old catfish. Big old catfish. Fuck you too. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a big one.
Molly?
Yeah. Woo!
Big bait, big fish, Greg.
Yeah. Yeah, but it swallowed it. It's definitely gettable, but he's bleeding a lot.
Oh, not so bad.
What?
He'll be fine.
You think he'll live?
Mm-hmm.
Somehow I don't agree with your statement.
I had a bite. I got the chub. Got one. Yeah, I think so. It could be a turtle. It's a good one. You might want to come over here. I don't know what it is. It's a good one though. It's a good one. Yeah, I might need your help, Drake. I said I might need your help.
Land him.
He hasn't even decided to swim away yet. That's why I think it might be a turtle. It's like not swimming very hard.
Oh God. That seems like a turtle.
I don't see any bubbles though. You know, oh, there's bubbles. It's a turtle. 100% it's a turtle.
Why?
I can see the bubbles
Yeah,
now.
what does bubbles mean?
He's scratching the bottom. Gosh darn it. I want it to be a fish.
Is that a soft shell?
Yeah. He sees us.
I know. Soft shells don't hurt, do they?
He's like, I'm out of here. So you want me to land him?
Yeah. I've never seen a soft shell turtle.
He's putting up a fight now. There we go.
Oh. Freaking left my other thing open.
I knew it was a turtle. I was like, it's either a flathead or a turtle.
Flatheads are in this river.
Yeah, I think so.
He's giving up. Never mind.
I'm not gonna let him take it. That's my best hook I've got too. Nope. Nope, you little prick, you're coming back.
Don't snap.
Just gonna get him.
Oh my gosh, that thing's huge. Don't let it snap.
Trying not to.
Will it bite me?
Yeah, I don't want you to.
Holy crap. Oh my gosh,
Got him.
that thing's huge. Are you gonna grab her or you want me to?
I don't know how long his neck is.
Oh my god. I can't even grab it, it's so weird. Oh my gosh.
Let me get the pliers.
It's on his back.
I know.
Oh god. Holy hell.
Here, let me get the pliers.
He's going to bite. Holy, his neck.
I told you they got a long neck. You got him?
Trying.
You want me to get you a picture with him?
Sure.
I will in a second.
Dude, look at how big it is.
Oh yeah,
Ooh.
he could hurt. Just a second. I'll get my phone. Look how long his neck is.
I know.
Later, turtle.
Holy.
Check this one out.
His nails are like.
Watch this.
Nails.
Watch this picture.
Do it live. Yeah, hold it. That's cool. I've never seen one of those.
Is she still running?
He's on it, but I can't really tell if I need to step hooking.
Well, you'll find out if he tugs again.
You let go.
Okay, then just let it be for a little bit. See if he comes back. If he doesn't, then reel it in real slow. Oh, he's back on there, right?
Did you wait and set hook later?
What? What?
Take some small bites.
Yeah, I only take it when he's gonna, like he's swimming away with it. And if he's...
Like that, I wouldn't touch that.
Get him?
Yeah.
Good.
Small.
Can't all catch big ones.
I agree. Dang, this thing's tiny. Oh, there you go. Let's find a little bit. Still got the chub though.
The main thing. It's always good to keep your chub.
Oh,
Probably the same size as the one I caught. Maybe a
down
touch
over
bigger.
there.
Well, he's about a 3/4 pounder, 1 pounder.
We might need to stay here for a little bit.
Okay, stop.
Oh, I let go. Oh God.
Get him. Don't have to pull hard.
Oh my Lord. Oh God.
He's definitely Is he fighting hard?
Right now he's coming towards me.
I'm hooked on something, so I'll get that out of the way.
He keeps swimming towards me. Oh God.
Is he fighting hard?
Yeah.
Is he a decent one?
Yeah. Am I recording?
You worry about him. Make sure he's
Oh God.
drag to keep my answer out loud.
I know, I'm trying to. I don't know, but whatever it is, it's freaking heavy. That's a big old cat. That's a big old.
Make sure you set your drag good. You got your drag set so it can run?
Yes.
Keep backing up this way.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Don't worry about me, you worry about the fish. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Heck yeah.
Hold on to him.
I can't.
Oh, don't be a pussy.
What do you? I have a pole in my
Sit
hand.
on the ground. Underneath those two things. There we go. I mean, you barely hit him. Sideways. Hand off underneath him. Yeah, like that. Let me see his head. Come on, man.
What? He's hard to hold. He's like huge. I don't usually hold him that way. There we go. This is how I hold him.
Chubs. I'm not kidding. Best thing there is.
Okay, take the picture quick because he's gonna flop around and I'm gonna let go of him. Strong.
Head down a little bit. Grab him. Put him so I can see his head. No, like tip his head down so I can see how big it is. Like that's the impressive part about him. And you gotta turn him sideways so I can see his body. Come on, man.
Dude, he's strong. Did you get one? Okay.
You're gonna have to learn how to hold fish.
I am literally holding him. He's strong as crap.
Look at me. Quit turning yourself. I want to see his back.
You.
Yeah, like that's where I want to see him.
I had it like that, and you're like, turn him.
No, I want it like at an angle. Like turn you. Just like that. Okay.
Good. Oh, damn, he's strong. Keep going, big boy. You act like I got a freaking strong grip or something. That was a big one.
Good job.